Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. As you are seeing on my whiteboard, today we are continuing 6th chapter of class 12 business studies. The name of chapter is staffing. So here I have mentioned some selection tests which are conducted so that we can find a competent candidate for our vacant jobs. Selection can be defined as a discovering most promising and most suitable candidate to fill up the vacant job position in the organization. Selection process as end result of recruitment function. Organization receives large number of applications and selection process begins at this stage by screening the application. In the selection, the number of rejected applicant is generally more than the selected candidates. That is why selection is considered as a negative process. Now moving to the topic, as you are seeing that I have mentioned 5 tests which are common type of tests conducted by any institution before reaching to a final decision of selecting the employee. So selection test, the organization prefer to conduct written test to find out the practical knowledge of the candidate. The type of test to be conducted depends on the requirement of the institution. The companies can go for their own tailor-made test. First test which you are seeing on the whiteboard is intelligence test. This kind of psychological test is used to measure the level of intelligence quotient of an individual. It is an indicator of judging a person's ability to take decisions and judgments during extremes and normal conditions. Second is aptitude test. This test is conducted to find out the potential of learning new jobs in the candidate. How quickly the candidate can learn new skills and new methods. This test helps us to know the candidate will be performing in future. What type of performance he or she will give in the coming future. Next is personality test. Personality test is conducted to find out the human behavior of the candidate. This test is conducted to find intelligence, aptitude, attitude and interest of the candidate. The psychological test helps in finding out the approach of the candidate, whether the candidate is having positive or negative approach and how much initiative he will be taking while performing the job. Second last is trait test. This test is conducted to check the existing skills of an individual. It helps to find the level of knowledge and proficiency in the area of profession and technical training. The difference between trait and aptitude test is that trait test helps to identify present skill of a person, while aptitude test helps to measure potential or ability to acquire skills in coming future. Now the last is interest test. This test is conducted to find out the type of job in which candidate has more interest, as all the people have fascination for some jobs or they are passionate for other jobs. After conducting these common tests, now there will be interview round. The candidate who qualify the test are called for interviews. To conduct the final interview, a panel of experts is called. The consultant who are specialized in their field ask questions from the candidate to test his professional or specialized knowledge related to the job. The interview has many advantages over written test because in interview you can find out the confidence level of the candidate along with the professional knowledge. Interview gives chances to the students also to clarify their queries relating with the salaries, allowances, promotion, casual leaves, working conditions, posting, job profile, job discussion, what is the company organizational structure and lots more. They are free to talk to these experts regarding their any queries or their any doubts related to the work of the job position. So students, that's all for today. Thank you all of you, and have a nice day.